Students, so today we will learn interface of TurboC. When we want to write program of C language, we will use this software, we will use this IDE, this interface. Hello student, today we will learn Hello students, today I will explain you the interface of TurboC. This is what you are able to see in your screen, that is TurboC. If we want to write program of C language, we will use this editor. Before using this, you must be aware with the interface of TurboC, right? There are several menus, how to use this menu and how to write the code. It should be clear with you, then and then you will be able to write proper code. Okay, first of all, I will start with menus. Can you see there is file menu, edit menu, search, run, compile. There is some use of each of this menu. If you are able to see, first alphabet of this menu, every menu is red color. What is the meaning of it? When you will press Alt key with this red alphabet, that menu will open. I will press Alt F from my keyboard. I will press Alt F. It will open file menu, and here there are some red alphabets. Okay, if I want to open a new file, then I will press N. It will create a new file. If I want to open previously saved file, then I have to click on O. I have to press O. It will allow me to open previously saved file. So this is menu number 1, file menu, right? And there are some shortcut keys as well. Okay, if you want to open previously saved file, you can press F3. If you want to save a file, after writing your code, you have to always save your file. To save a file, you have a shortcut key F2. You have to press F2, or you can go to file menu. You can click on save. This option is very important. You have to save your file before executing it. Okay, how to save a file? When you click on save, this kind of dialog box will open. You have to remove P from the extension because it is a C program. You will write C++ program in this same TurboC, right? Now here there is no name. Can you see at the top of the screen, no name, because this code is not having any name. If I want to save it, I have to give a name here. I will give some name like this, demo1, and click on OK. Now this file is saved. Can you see here? demo1.c. Okay. After that, edit menu. In the edit menu, you can see cut, copy, paste, clear, redo, undo. So many options are there. Now here, cut, copy, paste are different, right? What we do in Word, Control C, Control V, but here Control C, Control V will not work. We have to use these different keys. Right now all the keys are disabled. Can you see? I am not able to click here. Why? Because I have not written anything. To do cut, copy, paste, first I have to write something and I have to select it. I am writing a line, #include stdio.h. I have to select this line. After that, these menus will be enabled. Can you see? Cut, copy, clear, all, undo, all these options are enabled now. Okay, now I can do copy or cut. What is the shortcut key of copy? Control insert. Okay, I have selected a line. Now I will press Control insert from my keyboard. Now the line is copy. Again I will go to the menu. Now can you see? The paste option is enabled. Shift insert. If I want to press paste something, I have to do shift insert. So this is Control insert and this is shift insert. It will be pasted. Then after I can edit it, I can change it. Alright, so like this you can explore all the menus, undo, redo, there are so many things, cut, shift, delete. Okay, after that compile. This menu is very, search menu is also there, but it is like when you will write big code, right, at that time this menu will be used when you want to find a word from your code. But as of now, right now, you don't need to use this particular menu. Now I will go to compile menu. Before executing a code, we have to compile it. So you go to compile and you click on compile. You can use shortcut key as well. What is the shortcut key? Alt F9. It will give you errors. If you have make any mistake in your code, then it will check, it will compile, and it will give you error. I will do Alt F9 in front of you. Can you see? It will check the error. Right now I have not written any code, so zero warning, zero error. But if this code contain any error, then it will give you. So this is compile. Compilation is important. After compilation, we have to execute it. So you have to go to run and you have to click on run, or you can press Ctrl F9. I will press it in front of you. Ctrl F9. Right? It is giving me one error. Why? Because I am not writing anything. This code, this program needs some code. I am not writing anything. I just want to show you how to run and how to compile. This is compilation and this is execution. I hope this is clear to you. So as of now, this many options are enough for you. There are many options like Windows, help. In our coming classes, as and when it is needed, I will explain to you. Okay. Now I will explain you what is the meaning of this. What is this header file? You might have observed that in our every class we are writing hash include stdio conio in other code. In coming programs, we may write string.h, math.h. So what is the meaning of this, students? Now I will explain you this. This is known as header file. Whenever I am writing something with .h, that is known as a header file. Okay. C language is having so many functions, students. C language is having many functionalities. These functionalities are stored in header file. Functionalities are also known as library function. Library function are built-in function. Built-in means it is predefined. It is already there within C language. So these are built-in functions. They are grouped together in common place, and that place is known as a library. Just like our library in the college, we are having so many books in our library. So here in C language, in library of C language, they are having so many built-in functions like printf, scanf, CLR, SCR. All these are inbuilt function. We are using this function in every class, right, students? To use this function, we have to include header file. Okay, so there are so many functions. Each function perform a specific functionality. Printf is a function. What is the functionality of printf? It will print something. CLR, SCR is a function. What is the functionality? It will clear the screen. So every function will have some functionality, and all the standard functions, library functions, are declared by using many header files. These are the examples of header file. Whenever you see .h extension, it means it is a header file. So you have to include the header file in your code to use these functions, right? So like this we can include it. Okay, these are two main header file. stdio means standard input output. To perform input output operation, we have to use this file. Second is conio.h. It means console input output, right? These two are most basic header files. I will show you what function. See, header file are group of functions. I will show you what kind of function it has declared. Here you can see all the header files. Can you see stdio.h? There are many .h. Okay, all these are header files. But I will open this header file. I will explain this because this we are going to use in every code. I will open stdio.h. Can you see what is this? These are the These are the functions. Okay, it contain many function. Can you see this? It is having most common function printf. It will give you printing functionality, right? It is having function scanf. So these are the common function we will use in our every class. To use this function, we have to include this file. I hope now it is clear to all of you. Similarly, there is conio.h, math.h. There are so many header files. So this information is most basic. You must be aware with this IDE, with this interface of TurboC. You have to save your code after writing, and from here you can compile, and from here you can run. Okay students, so yeah, you include these files in every class. Now you know the meaning of it. If you have any doubt, any query, any question related to this, then you can ask to me in the comment box. Thank you very much students.